Someone told me that I must have my brain washed if I am not living in reality and I am listening to you. I said that this is nothing wrong, that I am listening you, because I feel everything you are saying anyway. Anyway, my question is, I feel everything you are saying. Anyway, my question is, shall I treat that person as not my friend anymore? Because maybe this relationship is becoming very toxic. This word brainwashed is so funny to me. You mean brainwashed means clean brain? You want to have a dirty brain, a brain full of hatred, jealousy, anger. I want a brain with full knowledge, compassion, understanding, love. This is what we are instilling. What is there to brainwash? These are some words that people would say. They can just call you fraud. Someone says, oh, you are fraud, you are not genuine. What are their benchmark for genuineness? They have nothing to say, so simply they'll say you are fraud. A Guruji is fraud. What Guruji is fraud? What is that? What do you mean by that? What is your benchmark for genuineness? Okay, tell me. Nothing. Because some things, these are the things, phrases, you say you're brainwashed. You have nothing to say. Not to question what is to be brainwashed. Asking people to be compassionate. Is it brainwash? Asking you to be free from stress. Have better understanding in life. Is it brainwash? Seeing life from a bigger picture. Is it brainwashed? Do you see what I'm saying? People will put things into a category so that you can never question them, that these are some of such phrases. Because once you are said, you are brainwashed, you have nothing else to question or confront or say, because it's already labeled and put aside. Similarly, they say, oh, you are fraud. You are labeled and you put aside. You don't question a fraud person, genuinely fraud, 50% fraud, or 100% fraud, or what degree of fraudness. Nothing, you can't ask, you can't say anything. But you can label people like that. He is insincere. How can you call someone insincere? You don't know yourself. You don't know your own mind. You are judgmental and you put label on others is not the right thing. But at the same time, I would say, suppose someone, your relationship, they say you are brainwashed. Just by listening, you should be deaf, not listen to anybody. Do you see what I'm saying? It's very strange. So, best is not to argue with them. I don't say you should cut off from people. I've said one thing, accept people as they are. So you don't need to convince someone else all about everything that you do. You are doing breathing. Is that so bad? It's a horrible thing to do. Sit and do long deep breaths and do some breathing exercise and sit quiet in the deep corner of your heart. Relax. Feel happy. Is that a sin? I tell you, there are so many misguided people who think this way, think yoga is devil, what? Is a satanic thing. people keep changing their opinions, their mind, and that is natural. So you don't be bothered by those things. You got it? You smile. You be loving. You be friendly. You know. That's what I would advise you. However they are, whatever they do, it's irrelevant. What is relevant is what is our attitude, how we feel. You know. Sometimes we'll have to put earplug and listen to people. When they talk negative, a lot of negative. Anything you do will be wrong for them. Then what you can do? There are people like that. You do your best, you do your 100% good to them, still they'll find you are wrong. That's their perception. You know, someone who has jaundice, for him everything appears yellow. That's a very common proverb in India.